Hello there, this is Max, your virtual moving guide. Moving to a new apartment or home can be both exciting and overwhelming. But don't you worry, I'm here to help make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's break down each step and get a better grasp on what needs to be accomplished. Our first step is decluttering before packing. This is a crucial step that enables you to evaluate what items you truly need and what can be left behind. Decluttering before packing is an important aspect of preparing to move. It allows you to decide what you'll need for the new house, what you'll have room for, and what you won't.
The most important thing to remember when decluttering is that you'll be making room and getting rid of emotional baggage while lowering your moving bills. A home that does not declutter may need additional truck space.
Consider donating any magazines, books, old toys, or clothes in good condition to a local charity or sell them on eBay or similar to make some cash. These donations and sales make mental and space sense. You're not wasting perfectly good items you will probably never use again, and you could sell the really good condition items in a variety of places. You could hold a yard sale or garage or even a car boot sale. If you have enough time, auction them online, either via a recognized site or through your own website, if you have the know-how. And there you have it. Step 1 completed on decluttering before packing to move. Remember, taking the time to declutter your home will not only make the packing process easier, but it will also save you time and money in the long run. So, take a deep breath, grab a box, and start going through your belongings one by one. You'll be amazed at how liberating it feels to let go of things you no longer need. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to guiding you through the rest of the moving process. Until next time, farewell.